Hi, in this video, I'm gonna show you how to make heavy cream at home. First, heat a pan and pour 1 liter full cream milk. And boil it for 10 minutes in a medium flame. Now decrease the flame in low and stir it properly. Don't let the fat and cream stick into the pan. Now take a half cup of water in a bowl and add 2 tablespoons cornstarch. Stir it very well. After 10 minutes of boiled in a lower flame, and slowly add cornstarch mixture and keep stirring until it becomes thick like this. Now turn off the gas flame and let it be cool, but keep stirring it. Now pour it in a clean bowl. Now freeze it and have as you wish. Enjoy! Please do like, share it with others, and consider subscribing to my channel for more food recipes like this. Thank you for watching.